Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Haitian Lalo. To get started, you are going to be needing some jute leaves, which is basically the lalo. I'm using 3 packets of that. This is frozen and it's already minced. And you are going to be needing about 1.5 pounds of fresh spinach, but I'm also going to be using 1 bag of chopped frozen spinach as well. I chopped this one myself. And you're going to be needing 1 jalapeno poke with some clove, and I have 1 habanero pepper that was frozen. I'm going to be using some thyme tied with some parsley, and I'm using some soup bones for this. I already went ahead and seasoned my meat. I used my Haitian Epis, and I also used 1 packet of sazon, and I also used some lime juice in this. I will leave the link of my Haitian spice, or check the link coming above for the Haitian spice or the Epis. You need some olive oil, and you can use Maggi if you use Maggi, and you need some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high. I'm going to start by putting in my frozen spinach. Excuse my voice, guys. I am starting to get sick, which I absolutely hate being sick, but there's nothing I can do about it. I don't like being sick. I don't like having a cold when it's summertime. It makes no sense to me. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put my seasoned meat. Okay, just like that. And to that, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil, about maybe 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put my spinach. I took so long to make this video, guys, because I can't find fresh lalo where I live at all. And the next biggest town from where I live is, or the biggest town really, is Fargo, North Dakota. And every time I go there, I can't find any. And when the product is coming, that's when I'm not going to be in town. So I delayed this video long enough. So I'm using the frozen one, which is the one I can find really easy around here. Okay. But it's really still the same thing, except it's frozen. So now I'm going to take the frozen lalo and just put it on top of this. Because it's frozen, it already have enough liquid, so I'm not going to bother putting any water in here. Okay, and now what you are going to do is we are going to make sure we put a lid, like a really tight lid on here, and we are going to let this cook down for a good 40 minutes. If the lalo was fresh, of course it will take longer to cook. So this is really a recipe for those of us who can't find the fresh lalo leaves. Okay, I'm going to allow it to cook for about 40 minutes, like I said. All right, as you can see, my my lalo, my jute leaf has cooked down, and my spinach cooked down as well. And I let it cook for about 50 minutes. Like I said, all that water came from my jute leaves because I could only find the frozen jute leaves in my area. So now it's time to season this. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt in. Like I said, if you use Maggi cube, this is the time that you can put in your Maggi. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some black pepper. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit more oil, just a little bit more. All right, and now you can put that parsley and thyme, and I like to put a little bit of sour orange juice, but if you have lime juice, you can put that as well. About 2 teaspoons. I know some people like to put tomato paste in theirs, but I just want mine to be nice and green. And now just go ahead and stir it, and we are going to cover it again to cook it for another 20 minutes or so. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook and Snapchat. I will leave the link down for all the social medias for you guys to check out. Okay, I'm going to taste it. The amount of salt in there is good for me. Again, guys, taste your food. All right, so cover it back up for another 20 minutes or until most of the water is basically gone. Okay, this is the final look of my lalo. Okay, like I said, it still have a little water in there because I used the frozen jute leaf, but this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. So hopefully this recipe will help some of you guys who can't find the fresh lalo leaves. But this will do it for this video. I will be eating this with some white rice and probably a little bit of black beans. But this will do it for this video. As I said, hopefully this helped you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.